Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to teach you how can you do a dual boot between Windows 8 and Windows 7. And guys, in this version I'm just going to basically give you some tips, some advices, and I'm going to tell you how can you do a dual boot, alright? But you need to have Windows 8 already in your computer. So meaning this is a part 2 tutorial for Windows 8 and Windows 7 dual boot, right? The first part, guys, is the part, okay, the link is going to be in the description. And guys, it's a part in which I'll teach you how to install a Windows 8. Now guys, when you are doing a dual boot, right, previously the basic rule is to install the later version later and the earlier version earlier, as in if you are doing an XP and 7 dual boot. So first, guys, you will install XP, and then guys you'll go for Windows 7. But in the case of Windows 8 and 7, guys, it's a little bit different. Actually, it's the totally opposite, guys. You first need to install Windows 8, and then guys you need to install Windows 7. So I'm hoping that you guys have watched my tutorial on how to install Windows 8. The link is going to be in the description. That's my part 1 tutorial, and in this video we are going to continue. And yeah, so let's get started, guys. Now guys, I can understand it's a little bit tough for you to watch the whole video, but hopefully with my voice, guys, you will be able to do the dual boot. Okay, so first what I need you to do is, first, guys, I'm assuming that you guys have already installed Windows 8. You can go ahead and customize it if you want. I have installed a few softwares, as you can see, but no need of that. So escape out of that. I'm back on my desktop, guys. I want you guys to go and click on this folder-like thing for accessing my computer, for taking a look at your drives. Now listen up, guys. You need to have specifically, guys, a totally new, a totally separate drive for Windows 7. Okay, you cannot have Windows 7 and Windows 8 in one drive. So if you guys have like only 2 partitions in your computer, not to worry, guys, I'm going to help you out on that. Go ahead, guys, to do a right click on your My Computer name over here. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see. So do a right click, guys, go to Manage, and it's going to ask you for, wait a second, it's going to come up. Alright, so we will wait. Okay, so it came up, guys. Now what I want you to do is go to Storage and do a double click on that. Go to Disk Management. And now, guys, I think it's going to take some time, but don't worry, just stay in that, guys, because we are going to create a new partition. And this, guys, is only for those people who do not have a partition, okay? So if you already have like 2 partitions, that's just great. Name one Windows 7 and you are ready to go. So alright, so now you can see that I have my 4 partitions over here. One is a System Reserved partition, one is Windows 8, one is Windows 7. I've already made this partition. And one, guys, is just for, all the work done. Do a right click on that, now for you guys it may be only one, so do a right click on the partition that you want to create a partition from. Do a right click and go to Shrink Volume. Now it's going to take some time. Alright, now it's here, over here. Total size before shrink in MB is going to be this much. Now all you need to do is you need to go ahead and modify. Actually, I'm going to zoom in for you guys. You need to go ahead and enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So this is a place where you need to make all the changes. So if you want only 100 GB partition, so just go ahead and type this many times 0, and you can just do a shrink, and automatically, guys, you will see that one more partition comes up. So that's the way you can create a partition in Windows 8, right, for your Windows 7. So now, guys, I am assuming that you already have a Windows 7 DVD. Put it into your computer or into your laptops. For me, I'm using a laptop right now, guys, so I have put it in already. Now, guys, go ahead and do a restart to your computer so we can do a boot from there, right? So one way of doing a shutdown or a restart in Windows 8 is to go to your start menu, go to TJ Style, do a sign out, and then, guys, you can just this is seriously, come on, man. Wait a second. Yeah, so this is it. This is how it looks without you signed out. Go to this button right here, guys, and then you can take the option of shutdown. Oops, for me it was restart. Shit, but that's okay. I'll just show restart. Okay, so now, guys, so I'm gonna pause my video now, guys. Actually, guys, I'm gonna let it be. Okay, so when you're starting up your computer, guys, just press F2 or escape or F10 or delete key, guys, for going to your BIOS screen, in which we have to make some changes. So for me it is F2. It can be the F2 for you, but sometimes it's a delete key, sometimes it's F12, sometimes it's F10. So take a look at that. Press F2 guys. And guys, basically in today's video I'm just going to guide you through the installation of Windows 7. Alright, so I have already made these changes in the BIOS screen guys. You just need to realign your boot settings. In the first boot device guys, you need to put your DVD drive, and it will automatically come the screen. Windows is loading files. I've already done it guys, so that thing came for me, that option. So yeah, so I'm gonna pause my video for now and I'll resume it when this thing happens. Alright, so after that part where it comes that Windows is loading files, this screen is gonna pop up, Windows 7, and you basically just need to click on next button, because like if you ever want to change the language, that button is that setting option is gonna be over there. But I want to keep my language English, so I just click the next button. Install now guys, and it will come set up as starting. Now all you need to do is you need to install Windows 7 into that new drive or the new partition which you created in Windows 8. So first guys, you need to install Windows 8 on your computer, and then you need to install Windows 7. Okay, now I want a 64-bit for my computer, so I'm going to take this HP Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit architecture. Click on next. I accept the license terms. Next. And now guys, I'm going to go click on custom, and then guys, you can see I have made 3 drives. One is going to be system reserved, so I don't want to mess with that. You do not want to mess with this Windows 8 file either. Just click on this Windows 7 guys and click next, because that is essentially made for that purpose. Okay guys, so now guys, you're gonna have this screen which says expanding Windows files. Now Windows is gonna take some time on this part guys, so no need to worry. I'm just pausing my video and I'll resume it when something important happens. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so that whole thing was completed and now my computer has restarted. So let's take a look at what is going to happen now. So it's happening. Check it. Oh fish guys, you just missed it. Alright, so we had that option guys of choosing Windows 7 or Windows 8 in our boot manager, but I'm pretty sure guys, if you are following along with me, you are going to have it for yourself. And then, but yeah guys, since the installation has not yet been completed, I want you guys to select Windows 7 and not Windows 8. Okay, so when you have that option in the boot manager, Windows 8 and Windows 7, take Windows 7. Alright, so yeah, so I took that Windows 7, and yeah, so we are still in the setup. So shit you guys, you seriously missed it, man. Alright guys, so I have pressed the tab key for holding this screen down. Check it out guys, we have finally made it through, and we are now getting the option of choosing Windows. So we have the option for choosing Windows 7 or choosing Windows 8. So you can take a look at this guys, but still guys, we are not yet completed with the setup, so I'm choosing Windows 7, and the setup will continue after restart it said. So I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm going to pause my video once again, right, and I'll continue it when something important happens. So see you guys then. Alright, so guys, the whole setup has been completed guys, and you can see that my Windows 7 is on over here. So I have done a dual boot successfully guys with Windows 8 and Windows 7, and I'm pretty sure that if you follow along with me with my two tutorials, I am pretty sure that you will be able to do the thing too, that is dual boot between Windows 7 and Windows 8. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel guys and like this video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or any problems, and guys, I will definitely help you out. But if you guys have any problem guys, then please send me a message on my Facebook. Do not leave a comment. Okay, please like my Facebook page, add me on, as a friend on Facebook. If you have any problems, I'll definitely help you out. And once again, please subscribe to me, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Thank you for watching this video guys, and hope you are able to do the dual boot successfully too. So thank you.